Nina? I've cursed you. I've hated you. I've torn up your letters and your photographs, but not a minute when I didn't know I was bound to you, heart and soul, for all eternity. It is not within my control to cease loving you. I found my life unlivable. Nothing but pain. It's as if my youth had suddenly been stripped of me. I feel I've been living in this world for 90 years. I kiss the ground you've walked upon. Everywhere I go, I see your face. I see the tender smile that shone on me in the summer of my youth. I'm all alone. I have no one's affection to warm me. I'm cold as the grave. And whatever I write, it's dry and stale and joyless.